Hello friends, my name is Smriti Sinha and I am from class 6B. The name of my school is Mar Gregorius Memorial Higher Secondary School. So friends, we all are bored in this lockdown. Let's do something creative. I have an idea. Let's make a photo frame with the help of some ice cream sticks. For making photo frame, we need certain things. The mixture of rice and sitaras, some of ice cream sticks, Fevikwik, paints, paint brush, glue, pencil, pair of scissors and a white paper. So let's start making. First, we will take this and keep it like this properly. Take 2 sticks. We will apply the glue. So friends, here you can see I have pasted it. Now leave it for drying for few minutes. Now friends, you can see my stick is ready. Now let's decorate it with the help of sitara. We will apply the glue on it and take it and apply it. Like this we will apply in all the. So friends, here you can see I have pasted it. Now leave it for drying. So friends, here you can see it has been dried. Now let's paint. We will take the brush. So here I have used lemon yellow and maroon color. So I will take this at up and down and maroon color left and right. So let's start painting. Take some water. So friends, I have painted here. You can see now here and here I paint maroon color. So let's open it and paint it. You will paint carefully so that your rice should not come out from the stick. Take some water. Paint it. So friends, here you can see I have painted maroon color also and it is looking beautiful. Now let's take white paper and I have written here, stay home, stay safe. You can draw any drawing, you can paste any picture. So now keep this frame here and let's cut the paper at the shape of this frame. So friends, you can see I have cut it. Now let's paste it with the help of glue. Apply the glue. So friends, here you can see I have pasted it and it is looking beautiful. Now we will give the stand with the help of Fevikwik. Take one ice cream stick, apply the Fevikwik, open it, apply it, stick it and let it dry. So friends, our frame is ready now. You can see our stand is also ready and this is also ready. So like this only, you can make your lockdown very good and useful. Thank you.